Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe today. So I have some yarn to show you from Herrschners. They had some new yarn that I wanted to show you. And they had some like wool mystery mail-in bags. I love wool. And I see some people on Facebook showing what they got, and it looked like this yarn that I really liked. So I hope I get the same as them, but you never know. So Herrschners. I like Herrschners. If you've never shopped with them before, I personally myself have never ever had a problem with them. They've always sent me the correct thing. They always send in a timely manner. It only takes a few days to get here. And they are in Wisconsin. One day I'm gonna make it to one of their big warehouse sales they have during the summer. Maybe, probably not, but well, I don't know. Let's just see what we got here. Open it up. I like Herrschners a lot, I really do. They have some pretty good deals a lot of times. Usually you can find a coupon code. Ooh. Okay, so some of this yarn was like new to me yarn, and some of it was yarn that I've had before. So I got their mailing list here, or their flyers. And then here is the invoice. Great. Okay, let's see what we got. So they had this yarn that I never seen before. It's called Soho Vista. Look at that. That's pretty. It's very soft. Smells clean. It smells like a cardboard box because that's what it's in. Let's see. It's really soft. Let me look at the fiber content and see what it's made out of. 90 acrylic, 10% polyester, 207 yards. It's a medium weight number 4. I like that. It does look like, though, if you mess up, you might see the fuzzies on it. Have a little bit of trouble getting it undone, but that sure is soft. So the Soho Vista, let me get you it was a bag of 5, cost $17.45 for all 5 of them. It was $17.45. So I did get a bag of 5. They're not in individual bags, but I did get 5 of them. So that's the Vista, and then they had another one called Solo Haze. I was kind of curious of what the difference was because they look very similar. Let me look at the fiber content and see. Okay, yes, the fiber content is different. So the Vista is 90 acrylic, 10 polyester. The color I have here is called Sour Cherry. It's very pretty. It's almost metallic-y looking, just a bit, very subtle. And the Haze, Solo Haze, is 50 acrylic, 35 cotton, and 15 polyester, 229 yards. And it's a lightweight 3. And it feels very soft as well. I like that one too. They said that's a 3 weight. A little thicker for a 3, I think, but it's still nice. Now these are both, are they chain spun? This one is chain spun, which means that it's spun in a chain formation. It's really hard to see it. It's because of the fuzz that has a bit of a halo effect to it. But it's spun in a chain formation, which allows the air to go through the yarn, so it makes a lighter weight garment. Very nice, very very nice. This would make a really nice, I think, top for summer or winter. Let me see. Look at the Solo Vista. Now it is not. Wait a minute. It's hard to tell because of that fuzz on it. No, it's chain spun as well. So they're both spun in chain formation. And the color of this one is called Aquamarine. Ooh, that looks Christmassy. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas in August. I can't wait. I don't like this heat. Okay, so the Solo Haze. Let's see if I get you. It's the same price. 5 of them were $17.45, and that's for all 5 of them were $17.45. So I did get 5 in a box. Okay, next up we have, I've never had this before. This is a Noble Hill. It's a brand that they carry. This one's called a Modern Marl. I thought it was very pretty, and I love the color. That is very fall. Oh, it's beginning to look a lot like fall. It's getting close. Cardboard box. Smells clean. Okay, so this is a medium weight number 4, 51 cotton, 40 acrylic, 5% wool, and 4% nylon. It's 240 yards. So let's look at this one. This one's fuzzy as well. And as you can see the fuzz on it, and it's got them little clumps of white going through it. I like it. It's very pretty. And it is, it's not spun in a chain formation, so it's a regular plied yarn, which is fine. It feels good though. I like that. That's really pretty. I love that color. That's one of my favorite colors. That little, I don't know what I call that. Not so much pumpkin orange. I guess it could be more of a goldy, I don't know, sunflower, darker sunflower, pumpkin-y, gourd looking. I don't know. Fall, it's a fall color. So the Noble Hill, a Modern Marl. Now they didn't have this in the bag first. They had it in the bag, but for some reason they said they couldn't ship the bag price to me. So I had to buy the individual ball of it, which was, I thought was kind of odd. But it was $3.99 a ball. I don't think that's a bad price. That is a very pretty yarn. Again, it does, you know, the fuzz on it. I like yarns that are fuzzy. It's just not one that you're probably going to want to make a mistake on. 4-weight yarn. That one's pretty. Okay, this is probably my favorite so far. I think the collar got me on that. It's very beautiful with them white flecks in it. That's nice. That's a really good deal. I would definitely buy that again. I did get 5 of them, even though they wouldn't sell me the 5-pack, so could have been a mess up, I guess. What should I make with that? I want to keep this one for sure. I have enough to, I got 5 balls, so I can make like a fall wrap. Would be beautiful out of that, wouldn't it? That's nice. I like that a lot. Okay, and then I had, this was something new that I never seen before. I got 2 colors of it. They had the 5-pack of this. This is called Department 71 Downy. So it's interesting. Smells clean. Okay, so this is classified as a bulky number 5, and it's 100% polyester, 142 yards. It does say to hand wash though. So that's a nice thick bulky 5 there. All right. So it appears to be a self-striping yarn, but it looks like it's going to be short striped. It has the appearance of the fuzz that you see on Caron Latte cakes or the Red Heart Hygge yarn, but it's not quite as soft as them, but it is soft. But Caron Latte cakes are extremely soft. They have a lot more fuzz on them than this does. But this is still very nice. I like it. Now, the Department 71 Downy for 5 of them was $12.45 for a 5-pack. What a deal. So I got this pretty color here, and it's called Autumn. Of course, I love it. That's some of my favorite colors all in there. Oh, that's a beautiful, beautiful skein of yarn. 5 of them for $12.45. That's nice. So, you know, that's enough. 5 of them is enough for me to make a hat and scarf set. I also got another color that I thought was quite interesting. It's very pretty. It is soft, but I'm just saying it's not quite as silky soft as the latte cakes, but it's very nice. The color, this one is called Sunset. So I got 2 there. Autumn, which you can tell, that's very autumn looking, and this one is Sunset. They did not have it in solids available at the time, which I wish they did, but they do have these short striping ones. I'm interested to see how these are going to work up. The striping effect on them. I might make a hat and scarf set out of this one soon. I don't care if it's summer. It's summer now at the making of the video. I'll still make it. All right, let's move on. See what else I got here. Oh, I got this. Now I've had this before, and I like it. But I don't have any more. I don't have any now. It's called Sundance Sweets. I like it because it's so bright. It glows in a black light. And we did a test on it one time in one video. Isn't that beautiful? Now this is self-striping acrylic yarn. It's 100% acrylic. 100 grams, 164 yards. It's a medium weight, number 4. So it feels like a value acrylic yarn, you know. Similar. It's a little bit softer than Red Heart Super Saver, maybe Red Heart with Love, but it's just so bright. I think that my daughter would really like a blanket made out of that. Look at that. It's like blinding bright. It's beautiful. So the Sunset Sweets, they did have a 5-pack of those. Let's see. Sundance. Sorry. Sundance Sweets. I gotta find it on my bag here. I can't even find it. Or on my sheet here. There it is. Bag of 5, $13.95. What a deal. What a deal. They had other colors too. Very, very pretty ones. I actually have this one here at my house from another time. I thought they have this color as well. I didn't buy it this time because I already have it, but I did buy the neons. Very pretty, huh? All right, I like that. I do, but I've had these before. These aren't nothing new to me. Okay, let me move on and see what else is new up in this box. Oh, I've seen these on their site, but I've never got them before. I've always thought they looked so much like Caron cakes. Okay, these are their Sundance Whirlwind, and they had them in bags of 3. Oh yeah, I have a cowl. These look just like Caron cakes, the chunky cakes. Look at that. Very, very pretty. So this is a bulky 5, but it's more pretty close to almost a super bulky 6. It's 100% acrylic, 275 yards. So it's almost, I would say, identical to their Caron Chunky Cakes. I actually have a cowl on my channel of a tutorial that I made out of this exact color. I thought it was so pretty. Isn't that pretty? I like it. So these were $23.97 for a pack of 3. I didn't think that was a bad deal. All right, and then I got some of their, it's called worsted wool mill-ends, and they were $12.99 a bag. And this is what they are. I believe that most of them had 4 balls and then it's 100% wool. It's beautiful. I love wool, and this reminds me of that Kodiak yarn. In another yarn that I have, and if I remember right, they were quite expensive. Well, not real expensive, but I'm pretty sure they were like $10 a ball on a regular price. That's beautiful. To me, they're worth $12.99 because it's a roving style as well, and it's a 100% wool. So 2 of my favorite things. That's beautiful. This will felt nicely in the washer. It'll also make a very nice warm hat. It looks like there's 2 different colors in that one. And then, oh, I got the same one again. So I got actually now 4 balls of each of those 2 colors, which they are very, very beautiful. Let me see what else. Oh, that's another yarn. Ugh. These appear to be the same as well. I might have got all the same. And you know what? That is okay with me, because then I can make a bigger wool project. Nice. I like those. I got 1 more bag, and yes, it is the same. I don't mind getting the same. But I think those are 2 different balls in there. You never know, though. Sometimes when you... Yeah, they're different. I like them. Those are beautiful. Okay, and then I got 1 more yarn to show you before I go. This was a new yarn that I've never seen from, they actually came in the 5-pack. I've never seen from them before. It is called Sundance Serendipity. Ooh. It's very pretty. I like the green. So this is very soft, very pretty. It's going to be self-strapping, but it's going to have long stripes in it. You can tell by looking at that. It's classified as a bulky number 5. It's 80 acrylic, 20% nylon, 174 yards. Color is called greenery. So it is very fuzzy yarn. And it is chain spun, although it is hard to tell. This reminds me of another yarn. I just can't put my finger on which one it is. But I do like this. And the Serendipity was $17.45 for a bag of 5. So that was the last new yarn that I seen on their site, or new to me anyways, that I had never seen. That's beautiful. I'm interested to see the striping effect on that one as well. So that is what I got from Herrschners. I showed you their new yarns that they had, and then an old fave that I got, and then their mystery mill-in bags, which you can see is 4 balls of this. I love this yarn though, so I'm very extremely happy with these. I just don't know what I'm gonna make. The sweater would be nice, I guess. It would be nice. I might felt the bag out of one of them. It's very pretty. And to get back to these are just really cool. I might have to get some more of these. They just remind me so much of the Caron Chunky Cakes, and colors that sometimes they had some colors that I don't even think you could find in Caron Chunky Cakes anymore. So, fresh cardboard. I'm gonna go. Okay, guys, stay safe. I'll catch you on my next video. All right, bye, guys.